In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border to a text box in Canva efficiently. This is a fantastic way to make your text stand out and give it a polished, professional look, whether you're designing a flyer, a poster, or a social media graphic. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to canva.com and sign in using your credentials. You'll find the login button conveniently located in the upper right corner of your screen. Canva offers multiple ways to sign in. You can use your Google, Facebook account, or simply your email. Take your pick and let's get you signed into the creative world of Canva. Once logged in, you'll see three horizontal lines in the upper left corner of your screen. Click on these to open the main menu. Here, select Create a Design. This is your canvas for any project you have in mind. Canva provides a multitude of templates and formats to choose from. Whether you're working on a social media post, a business card, or an infographic, there's a template to suit your needs. Have a look around and pick one that aligns with your project goals. Now it's time to add text. Click on the Text tab in the side menu. You'll see options for adding a heading, subheading, or body text. Choose whichever fits your design requirement. Once you've added your text, the next step is crucial, duplicating the text box. This can be easily done by selecting the text box and using the duplicate function. Alternatively, you can simply copy and paste it. This duplicate layer is what we will use to create the border effect. Select the duplicated text and now we're going to add some effects. Look at the top of the screen for the effects button on the toolbar and give it a click. You will see a variety of effects options. For our purposes, we'll choose the hollow effect. This will turn your duplicate text into an outline, setting the stage for your border. To truly customize this border effect, you'll want to adjust the border's thickness and color. Canva provides sliders for this purpose, as well as a color picker. This is where you can let your creativity shine, choosing colors and thickness that complement your overall design. And if at any point you think the color of the text within your border doesn't quite match up with the rest of your design, don't worry. You can easily change the text color using the color tool, giving your design that finishing touch. With these simple steps, you've now mastered the art of adding a border to a text box in Canva. This feature not only enhances the visual appeal of any piece of text, but makes your designs more impactful and eye-catching. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you play around with these features, the more professional your designs will become. So go ahead, give it a try, and let your creativity flow.